seatbelts help.
Yeah. Might have officially saw it across the line.
Right.
Ready when you are.
You good? Alright. Yep. I'm gonna get out. I'm gonna go first. Ready? Okay. Go. You want one more in there? No. Okay. Yep, just like that. Keep coming. Just right where you are is good. Keep coming. Give me now. Straighten out. A little more driver. Right there. Yep, get through. Hey, your rear's not locked. Is your rear not? Oh, no, this is the brakes. Never mind. Yep, forgot. Come, passenger. Yep. Just stay just like that. Nice. Keep coming. Keep coming. Yep, get through. All right. Try to front dig. Right there. Towards me. Front dig. Keep going. No. Yeah, coming. Go ahead on all fours again. Are you gonna do the drop here, right? Yeah, front dig. Turn down and just go down there. Yep, you're good. Go down, turn, and come up here. You're in all four, right? Okay. Damn, my timer didn't start on my watch. Okay. Yeah, keep going. You're alright, keep going. Once that front comes up, front dig. A little more, keep the gun on the foot. Now, stop, front dig. Beautiful. Yeah, just like that. You can go all four now. Yep. That's it. Passenger. Hold on, get up there a little more. Now passenger. Right there, straight through. Turn a little driver. Okay. Yep, hold on, let me see that rear, your rear tire. Hold on, hold on, hold on, hold on. Hold on, stop, stop, stop. Actually, yeah, keep coming. Just like that. If you rear dig, you have room, so just go nice and easy on the rear dig. Hold on, don't back up. Let me see. Trying to give you a chalk, a better chalk. Yeah, put it down. Yeah, back up a little bit. Straight back. Yep. Lock the front. See if you can rear dig down. There you go, that's good. Now come forward. Yeah, just like that. Are you in all four? You need to be. Yep. Yep. clear. Step, stay up high. You're on your rear diff. Keep working that. There you go. Hard, hard. Good. Keep going forward just like that. A little bit. Touch. Yeah, right there. Keep coming. Keep coming. A little more. Now go hard. Yeah. You see that cone, right? You got to get your rear down. Stop, 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 stop. You got to go hard, passenger. You slid over. Back up. Yeah. Just stop. Stop, stop. Okay. Good to know. Either back up and keep going back that way and get your ass end over a little bit more. We got under 5. You got plenty of room. You're all rear diff right now. Turn. Yep. There you go. Now come over this way. Don't go so hard yet. Go back, passenger. Yep. Now come forward. A little more. 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 Now come driver. Yep. Straight. Once this pops up, straighten out. Straighten out. Yep. Keep going. Go passenger. Passenger. Yep. Yep. Yes. Yep. Now driver. Yeah, just like that. Good. All right. Go hard driver. Hard driver, hard driver, hard driver. Can you see that cone? Okay. Rear dig forward. See if it'll drop down. You might have gone too far. You got no fucking brakes, right? I'm okay with that. Yeah, keep going. That's good, that's good. Yeah. All right, Brent. Come forward with all 4. Go passenger a little bit. Yep, just like that. Now driver. Okay. Hey, straighten out. You didn't hit it, right?
Not yet.
Rear dig. Yeah, rear dig. You can. If you have to reverse, reverse. Are you in reverse? There it goes. Don't go too far. That's good. Yeah, all 4 forward. Stay hard up. Yes. Yep. Now turn down. And come out the exit. You got a foot on that cone. Just drive. Yeah, drive. You're out. Nice run.
Minute left.
Yeah. What's that?
Minute left.
Yeah, good. All right.
All right, no cones, 3 reverses.
Yep.
Main progression through all 4 gates and did 2 bonus gates.
Yep.
All right.
Yeah, 3 reverses.
3 reverses. All right. So there.
Yep. Thank you very much. All right, now I gotta go do another one.